Welcome. You can check the description for the links. Do remember this is for educational purposes only. Enjoy the video. First, download CopyTrans by searching it on Google or any search engine you'd like. In this case I'm going to be using my favorite one, which is StartPage. Now, we need to install CopyTrans installer for easy usage. Just click download on the top of the website. Now, when we open the CopyTrans manager, it will want us to install the iOS drivers. We can avoid using iTunes by choosing the option that says Install Only Drivers. A new site will come up. Scroll down and you will find Download CopyTrans Drivers Installer. You can follow the steps it tells you to take to make sure you have it set up correctly. Now we choose the song we want to add to our phone, which has to be a MP3 file format. If it's your own content or anything you have the rights to, you could use a YouTube to MP3 converter found on Google or similar tool to download it. Remember, do not download copyrighted music, fair use only. Now, all we have to do is plug in our phone, then we have to just drag and drop our song into CopyTrans Manager. Then on top left we need to update it to our phone. Just click update and done. Now we have our music on our phone. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more and give it a like if you enjoyed the video. Your feedback is much appreciated and will be taken into consideration in future content.